Hi, Unbox over here. Here we have Roger Waters live. This is not a drill from Prague. There's 24 chapters. There doesn't say anything here, but the runtime is 2 hours and 50 minutes, and it has Dolby Atmos and some other tracks, 2.0 and 5.1. There's bonus 2 music videos, Comfortably Numb and 2 Suns in the Sunset. So let's look at this paper cover. We don't like them. They are very thin, so disappear in the collection. Okay. There's this leaflet. Some what I said here. Nothing on the data disk, and yeah, that's the disk. Yep, that is Roger Waters live from Prague. If you're into collecting, please subscribe and like the video. See you in the next one. So bye bye.